Hi guys, my name is Brooke. I make lifestyle and college vlogs on my YouTube channel, Brooke Miccio, but today I'm bringing you guys a little bit of a get ready with me, showing you a typical makeup look for me and an outfit, including some awesome Arizona Jean Co styles. So I always get started by moisturizing my skin, big moisturizing gal, and this eye cream from Ole Henriksen is fantastic, really recommend it. And then I'm going to go in and these days I've been actually opting instead of foundation, but just using concealer. So I put it all over my face and blend it in with a sponge just like I would with the foundation, but it's just a little bit lighter on the skin, doesn't look as heavy. All of these products I'm showing you guys today are from the Sephora inside JCPenney. Really great stuff. Definitely recommend checking it out. After I do the concealer, the foundation all over my face, I want to set it. So I'm using this Fenty Beauty setting powder with just a fluffy brush and just putting that all over my face to lock it in and make sure that it doesn't budge throughout the long day or whatever I end up doing. Then I'm just filling in my eyebrows with just a simple little eyebrow filler inner. Is that even a word? A little simple eyebrow spoolie and some product. And then I'm going in, I've been really into highlight these days. So this highlighting little convenient on the go brush is from Fenty Beauty. And I'm going ahead and using this duo. I'm using the like less intense shade on my cheeks. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and use the more like sparkly one later on my eyes. So that's great. It's like definitely a duo that can do a lot of different things on your face. And the little portable highlighting brush is just so convenient too. A little blush action, and then we're going in for eyes. I always tend to do like a champagne or like a sparkly pink eyeshadow just because I find that with my hazel eyes it kind of goes well. So just putting that all over my eyelid and then curling my eyelashes and putting on mascara. Super simple. Then we're doing lip gloss, big lip gloss gal, and I love the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This one is so good. I always get compliments on it, and I think you guys will love it. So I just put that all over my lips, and I keep it with me in my purse for the day. And that's the look. Super simple. It will take you no more than 10 or 15 minutes, and you'll look really great. Love it. Okay, so I'm going ahead and getting ready for the day, and I'm going to get dressed now, and I'm just looking at some options for outfits and whatnot. I absolutely love these pieces from Arizona Jean Co. My shirt now that I just wore in the Get Ready With Me portion is also from Arizona Jean Co, but it's just a little too casual. I want to get a little more denim vibes for the afternoon. But I also want to keep it like pretty comfy. So this top is from Arizona Jean Co, which I love. And I think it's really cool because you can pair something like this, just like a basic tee with like a light wash and a dark wash of denim, and it looks so different. I think today I'm going to go for, I don't know. I put them both out and I was honestly going to go for the light wash, but I think it looks better with the dark. But then if I do the light wash, I could pair it with like a little sneaker. I think that could be really cute. There's just so many different ways to style denim. One of my personal favorite ways is to just do like a casual look, like I said, with just a t-shirt, maybe a big sweater thrown over it, and then some casual like sneakers, or like a slip-on or something. You could also cuff the bottom of your jean, which looks really nice. A good way to like somewhat dress it up. These two pairs are both just Arizona Jean Co, just like super skinny ones. I think this one's more of a jegging and this one's more of a jean, but they're both super soft and comfy, and I really like the distressing in this light wash, so I'll probably wear these right now. And let's see the fit. All together, this is what it looks like. Just super simple. If you guys know me, my style is so simple. I just like to dress for comfort, and this is something that I could wear if I'm like out and like running errands with friends, or if I'm like running to class and just want to put on jeans that day, because it's always nice to look nice. Today I just happened to have my hair styled straight, but I think anything would go with a comfy casual look like this. I love the tee either like tucked in, you could do it like tied to the side kind of, or you could just wear it, you know, as it is regular. The jeans are just so flattering and amazing, and on my channel I did a video all about all the different jeans I got in like a haul video, so you're gonna want to check that out. So over on my channel I did a haul video of showing you guys all my pieces from Arizona Jean Co, which I think you guys are absolutely going to love, and just giving you even more outfit ideas and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the Arizona Jean Co channel and mine, and I'll talk to you guys all super soon. Probably another video really soon. Bye guys.